Hey everyone, welcome back to another Show Your Wife Wants You To. Wife told me to take out the trash. In the trash were these packing peanuts. These are the kind that you can melt with water, and we're going to try to burn them too. So let me show you what it's like with the water first. So got this plate here, add some water to it. I wanted to show you on the black plate. So check it out. So these are the kind, they're environmentally friendly, like organic, they're probably vegan, they probably eat granola, I don't know. But let's check it out. I eat granola. So they kind of just dissolve in water, turn into nothing. So they're not styrofoam. They literally just turn into nothing. So I'm thinking if it's like a corn base, that you could burn them just like wood or paper. So let's go check it out and try to see what it's like when we burn a bunch of them. Alright, I'm going to try without any propellant or anything, just straight up burning. See how well they do. Okay, I mean they're actually kind of working. They kind of smell like marshmallows being burnt. They kind of have that almost like a papery marshmallowy smell. But they're burning pretty clean, actually. There's no black smoke, no white smoke. They're burning really clean. I might have to like remarket these as fire starters because it's working really well. Yeah, it actually kind of smells like marshmallows burning, which is really weird. So here we go. Really no smoke, hardly at all. Like there's a little bit, but it actually looks more smoky on the video than in real life. But yeah, it's going pretty good. And look, it's burning super clean. Finally got a little smoke, but man, now it's just the cardboard burning, but they burn pretty clean. It's pretty cool. So yeah, pretty environmentally friendly. I think it just turns into carbon dioxide and water, or you can melt them with some water and it just turns into mush. So kind of neat. Now we've got a cardboard fire, but that's okay. That's how we do it here on this channel. We just kind of do something and see what happens. That is all. I'm going to go get some marshmallows, so I'll let you guys go. Have a great day.